Right, in this lesson we are creating excuse me, tree diagrams for multi-step events. Now, a multi-step event is exactly what it sounds like. It means more than one thing happens, more than one occurrence is going on. Okay, so the example I'm going to give you today is looking at, so I went to a wedding recently and they had what they call alternate drops. So that means every second person around the table is going to get the same meal. So one person will get chicken at the entree, the next person sitting next to them will get fish, and then chicken and fish, and so on and so on. Now when the main meal comes around, same idea, but someone's going to get a pasta dish and someone's going to get a beef dish. Same thing happens at dessert. So what happens is if you don't like it, you generally can find someone next to you that swaps. But what happens is we have a massive amount of combinations of different meals we can try. So this is a multi-step event. We have our first course, our second course, and our third course. And a tree diagram has lots of branches to show all of the different combinations. So if we have a look at this, it starts over here. I'm going to start with my tree by making two main branches, because in our first course we have two choices. We have the chicken or we have the fish course. Okay, now once I've had the first course, I've still got the same two options here for my main. It does my first choice in the first course doesn't affect what my main meal is going to be. So I've still got a choice of beef, or I've got a choice of pasta. Same thing with fish. I could have fish to start with, get beef second course, or I can get the pasta second course. Same thing's going on with my dessert. My first choices do not have an effect on my third choice. So let's go like this. If I've had the chicken, then the beef, I can still have the choice of the chocolate or the apple crumble. Same thing with pasta. I can still get the choice of the chocolate or the apple for all different combinations. So you can see there's quite a lot of combinations here. I could have had the chicken, the beef, and then the chocolate. I could have had, if we follow the next path, chicken, beef, and apple. So C, B, and A. And that can go on. We can keep doing all these combinations. So they're the possible outcomes that I could have had. They're the possible combinations of things I could have eaten. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 combinations in total that we could have looked at. Okay?